Today we have a new exponential equation in the form of integration question. So let's come with 8 exponent of 1 plus x divided by 4 exponent of x dx. Very interesting integration question. Both of function in here is in the form of exponential. So how we can reduce this form? As we know that according to the here we can write 8 we can write 2 exponent of 3 we get 8. If 8 we multiply 3 times we get 2 multiply 3 times we get 8. Similarly we can write 2 square we get 4 whole exponent of x. And means that according to the rule of property a exponent of whole exponent of n is equal to a exponent of mn. We are multiply their exponent to each other. Now integration of 2 exponent of this 3 1 plus x divided by 2 and 2x dx. Similarly now we can multiply upon this power we are multiply 2 3 multiplied by x 3 multiplied by 3x divided by 2 exponent of 2x and dx. Now eliminate their powers and here integration of 2 exponent of 3 and 2 exponent of 3x. When the bases are same, so we add their power, we get the same result. Similarly in here 2 exponent of x and dx. Now 2 exponent of 3 is constant, we take outside from the integration 2 exponent of 3 integration of, and here we are using the power rule, we take one base and we subtract their power and dx. Integration of 2 exponent of 3 and integration of we subtract this result 3x minus 2x and dx. Now we have the rule and formula of the integration when the base is constant and in the form of exponential equation we can say that. So we can write the formula first of all, integration of a exponent of x dx. So we can write this formula, log of a exponent of x, we write the same function a exponent of x and log of ea plus c we can write. And further if we change a exponent of x, this log of e is we can write log of a plus c. Both formula are same. We are, if we are exponent of 3 is equal to 8 and integration of this we can use the formula a exponent of x and here is 2 we can write 2 exponent of x log of e2 plus c and 8 2 exponent of x divided by log of 2 in the place of e we put here natural logarithm is changed, common logarithm is changed into natural logarithm log of 2 plus c, which is the required answer or solution of this integration. Very interesting. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video more and more. Thanks again for watching.